Welcome back to Carolina Rut Cuddles and the first video of the year. Welcome to 2024. And the first video, of course, is going to be the new 6x6 that we haven't taken out. Is it going to hold together? Is it going to break? We don't know. I'm hoping it holds together. I still don't trust this axle. Let me show you this axle right fast. So this axle is just so long. Like you can see it just stretched out so much. So I'm hoping that it does stay together. I mean, if the axle breaks out too, that was going to show up at like an hour from now, so I could pop it back in there and finish this video tomorrow. But today is the day. Will it hold up? Will it break? We're going to give it a little more gumption. Last time I was being a little more gentle on it. This time we're going to give it more gumption. If it holds together though, then we're going in a deep, deep hole. The swamp hole that nothing made it through yet. Probably the next week's video. Not tomorrow. I say tomorrow because that's when I will record it, but next week's video. Technically, it's still December for me, but for y'all, it's the beginning of the year. So let me slap the GoPro on and we'll see how many angles we can get. I mean, sadly, I've been waiting all day because the weatherman said the sun was going to come out and the wind was going to stop. Not only did that not happen, the sun never came out, the wind picked up, and let's not forget the worst of all, it went from 67 this morning to in the mid 40s. Like my head's frozen. But I learned that if I put the toboggan up here and I put the GoPro, it goes, poof, it moves, and it doesn't work for us. So let me go ahead, we'll get to the mud holes, we'll set everything up, and I will see y'all there. Well, ladies and gentlemen, moment of truth. Will she hold up? Will she not? Let's find out. We got a little miss, but I think it's actually just the engine. Because the engine's starting to smoke, and I think that might be it. I don't know. We'll find out. Can we make it? This is the moment of truth. Will she make it? Will she not? Let's find out. It's deep. Well, ladies and gentlemen, she walked, and she walked good. Man, that got deep though. I mean, we were taking stock Hondas through it a couple months ago. This thing's as long as a bus, got to turn it around. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we're going to have to put a Polaris front end on this, a Razor. I see a lot of people have good luck with Razor front ends, so we can cut the forward drive off. And that's the problem. It is cheaper to buy a whole front end from a Razor side-by-side than it is to buy the 424. Y'all know what I mean. Come on, baby, turn. Oh, holy crap! Oh, this thing eats! Holy crap! I can't say. Let's do it again. I just can't explain how much I'm loving this right now. Hoping when I turn around, y'all actually getting the good footage. Like, I can't really tell by the GoPro where my head's facing. Plus, I fell down my steps and messed up my back and my neck, so, yeah. He was hoping that, it's good. Oh, I can say without a doubt, the 6x6 is walking good. Second gear. Fourth gear. Holy crap, it's underwater. I can say I must have got my carburetor good, because if not, we'll be full of water. Well, nothing's twisting yet. I don't see a giant thing of water, a giant thing of oil under it. Guys, this thing is just kicking. I don't know how long till this, wait, the axle actually come in a little bit. It might hold. That axle, on the other hand, looks a little bad. One more time through it this way. We'll set the GoPro up outside so y'all can see it that way. And yeah. Okay. And we are underwater. Come baby. Just look at them digging. Baby, I love this. Oh gosh, this is the best thing ever. Nothing's twisted, nothing's moved. It's all one piece. Ladies and gentlemen, we got this thing. It's good. It is good. Woo! Holy crap. I don't know where to put this thing. Everything over here is underwater. Thought a snake. I was like, what? I wonder if I put it right here. There you go. Well, ladies and gentlemen, my GoPro is in the water. Like, my tripod is like halfway in the water. So I'm gonna have to be careful and slow down once I get on this end. But other than that, I think this is gonna be a good angle. I'm gonna have to go back slow though. Hey, no, not my GoPro. Lucky GoPros are waterproof. But like I saw, as soon as I went through there, the water splashed on it. Well, it looks good though. Like as soon as I hit the water, and I was going slow, it just splashed it. Okay, there we go. Let's hope I can go a little easier when I come back. You ready? I'm ready. GoPro, are you okay, baby? Looks like the outside view is not going to work today. Huh. Let's go to this other hole now. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is holding up, but this hole is so much water is pushing my GoPro out, which sucks. I hate that. But hey, let's go to the next hole, and I think there's a hill enough there that will hold it and try it out there. We got to try out more than one hole, and everything looks like it's still staying together. I got this wheel missed, but that's the engine. I mean, it's smoking now, which kind of sad. It means I got to rebuild the engine, but hey, it's not that hard. You take the gas tank off and the seat, and voila, you got the top end. You got to wash it for once. Got to do that. So let's take it over that hole, and I'll set the GoPro up, and we'll go through it with this, and we'll see how well this thing does hold up. Gentlemen, I hope there ain't too much water on that mic where it doesn't work, but let's try this out and see what we got. Okay, 6x6, are you worthy enough to make it up this hill? That wore me out, so we ran into a big problem. The buddy will not sink. It was floating, so we were just stuck there. So I could have got off and probably floated it out, but I wanted to stay on it, and we did get out. Looks like we need the bed a lot sooner than I thought, so let's go back through here the other way, and maybe when we get a bed, we can make this thing work. Or some way. Maybe I have to put some tractor weights on the back of it. because the whole back end was just floating. So I just wasn't getting any dig power. Anyways, let's go through the other way. Okay, let's do one more view from the GoPro because I feel like everything's been outside, just so y'all can see it. This thing is just walking so good. Nothing's broken, nothing's bent. The only downside I found yet is that when I started going to reverse, the back end floated up, and once it floated up, I couldn't get it back down. And therefore, I was only running with like the front one tile. You might say there's two tiles up there, but it's a Honda. Only one is going to spin at a time. At some point, I want to go ahead and get the Razor diff or something. That way I got four-wheel drive lock. And I think that will make this thing better. Plus, go ahead and put the bed on and stuff. The bed will really help. It'll weigh that back end down. Right now, it's just the empty frame, and that's not good. But nothing's broken, nothing's moving. I mean, this is way better than the chain design. The chain design just didn't work. I mean, the chain design works as long as you kept it to a 26-inch tile and low. Like, that's the problem, is these big meaty tiles like this are just not good. And you can see the smoke because it decided to smoke, I know well. So let's hit this at second. It's probably gonna splash the screen, so I'm sorry ahead of time that y'all only gonna see a couple seconds of this. And back and forth. Come on, baby. Y'all can see that good, I hope so. Holy crap! It's getting deeper! Oh! There you go. If I could just get that back end to sink, I wouldn't be stopping like that, because looking at it, that's what's stopping us, is the back end is just not digging as much as I wanted to. So ladies and gentlemen, this is where we're going to stop this video, because I think she did good. I think this is a good place to stop. I want to take her in the whole back veil, but y'all seen we get stuck in that every time, and I think she can make it. I think we can do it, but I need my wife to pull me out, and she, what the? I think I put a hole in my brand new wheels. Anyways, so because I can't get hold to come pull me out, she said if I didn't get stuck today or break down, she would come ride with me sometime this week if it's a beautiful day, and will actually pull me out if I get stuck, do my video and for me. So yeah, that's gonna be amazing. I can't wait. So anyways, ladies and gentlemen, as always, hit the subscribe button, like this video, tell your friends about the Honda 6x6. Is it the Honda sixtrax 300 6x6? Or the Honda Big Boss 6x6? Y'all let me know. I like the sixtrax, but at the same time, Honda Big Boss sounds cool too. So let me know. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Well, who knows what we'll get into. See you then, people.